Hello and welcome back to my channel. Usually I always tell you all I use mixed masala, but today I've taken time off to show you how I normally mix my masala. I have a whole lot of product of Taj Masala. It was a name brand from a very young age, from my mother to my mother-in-law, my sister-in-laws, and it's just a family name of Taj Masala. Although there's many other masalas in the market, but we still kept to Taj Masala. In fact, it's not a sponsored video. Firstly, I like to show you all, I have 800 grams of mixed masala, which will go very well with 200 gram Dhania powder, 200 gram Garam masala, 200 gram Jeera powder, and I have 400 gram of Hurdee, but of which I'm going to use 200 gram. That's the reason why I have my scale and my plate to measure. I have 400 gram of pure chili powder, of which I'm going to use 200 gram. And then, because of not using much of the biryani spices, so I bought myself biryani masala, which is also 400 gram. I'm going to use 200 gram, and I'm going to scale them. And then I have the most important ingredient is when you braise your curry, you get this reddish color, is the coloring, of which it is egg yellow coloring in the powder base. It is 100 gram, of which I'm going to use 50 gram of it. So it's half of this. So before I start mixing my masala, I also caught 2 bunches of curry leaf, of which I bought, washed and dried up. So I also have curry leaf in my masala, and you can also do that with thyme. You buy thyme, wash it and dry it and take it off the stem, then you can add it in your masala. It will be a very quick, pleasant way to work instead of having each tablespoon or teaspoons or curry spoons. You can just mix a whole lot of masala and actually have it kept in your deep freeze for a long period. Okay, because I'm going to work with spices, I'm using my gloves and my mask because to avoid it burning you.
Your fingers and your eyes. That's one tremendous.
And 202, doesn't matter.
Close enough.
Doesn't have a good sound of it.
195 is okay.
Yeah.
Put more. So now that I got all my masalas in, I'm going to give it a thorough mix. And I'm going to put it in airtight containers and use whatever I want to use in my kitchen, and the rest will be stored away in the deep freeze, or if you have place in your fridge, it can be stored away in your fridge. So this will make life much easy instead of gathering all your spoons of masala all the time. There you go, the masala is mixed in thoroughly, and then I'm going to store. I've got my containers, this that I use usually for the house for everyday use, and one to put away in the freezer, which is sealed airtight, and it will be kept for when I'm done with the house masala, so I can grab the masala that's in the deep freeze. So I caught about 3 months of usage of masala, and it makes life very much easier when having your items in readiness. Thank you for watching.